Behringer has released a firmware update on the 8th of April 2026. This new version is version 1.0.3, available through the latest version of the SynthTribe app. I use version 3.0.2. Three main fixes are fixed fine-tune on the CC number 12 issue, improved gain structure to eliminate distortion. On a side note, the Pro VS also has an update to version 2.0.3, also improving the gain structure. And finally, the correction of the line select function, which now works as expected. Okay, so the line select, we have a simple sound on line 1, line 2, I've just made it different. So then when we add line 1 plus 2, we have, and when we select line 1 plus 1, we have. So now everything works the way it should. There are no bonus additions, such as an extra note on the polyphony, no additions to the ARP section, or any addition to the chorus, unlike the previous Pro VS update which added reverb, ensemble, 5-note polyphony, and the hold and chord function in the ARP section. So maybe a future update will include some or all of these. Thanks for watching.